Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for YouTube. Joining YouTube opens up a world of entertainment, education, and community. Whether you want to watch your favorite creators, learn new skills, or even share your own content, having an account is your first step. We'll go over the simple process, ensuring you can quickly get started and personalize your viewing experience. Get ready to dive into the vast and exciting world of YouTube. Before you can fully enjoy YouTube, you'll need a Google account. Think of it as your universal key to many Google services, including YouTube. If you already have one, fantastic. You're halfway there. If not, don't worry. Creating a Google account is straightforward and free. We'll guide you through setting up your email and password, ensuring you have everything ready for the next step in your YouTube journey. Now that you have your Google account ready, signing up for YouTube is incredibly simple. Just head over to the YouTube website or open the app on your device. Look for the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner. Click it, and you'll be prompted to use your Google account. Enter your details, confirm, and just like that, you're officially a part of the YouTube community, ready to explore. Congratulations, you're now signed in. The fun truly begins as you start personalizing your YouTube experience. You can customize your profile, subscribe to channels that interest you, and even create playlists of your favorite videos. Explore the vast library of content, leave comments, and engage with creators and other viewers. Your new account is your gateway to endless entertainment and connection, tailored just for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.